Everyone wants to look healthier, younger, and attractive in short course of time. Makeup and artificial cover does not last long. What is a way to get rid of wrinkles and folds? Aesthetic plastic surgeon Dr. Vikas Gowdy is disclosing the biggest secret for the aesthetic transformation and is called PRP to Face.
PRP to Face is very sought after procedure these days. It is a cosmetic procedure and we are getting patients from all ages, starting from 30 years till 60 years. So there are different indications and we are getting patients both male and female of all ages.
What is PRP and how is it extracted?
PRP is the platelets rich plasma. We take your blood sample and centrifuge it so we can get the pure plasma which is rich in growth factors on the upper level, and we discard the RBCs at the lower level. So PRP is also called the liquid gold because it is very sought after treatment for certain indications of the face. So you can see this is the PRP we have prepared. All the RBCs they have settled down. Then in middle there is a buffy coat and there is a yellow plasma which is rich in platelets which is on the upper side. So we will take only the yellow part and the part of the buffy coat and we will use it for the vampire facelift for the face.
Why does everyone choose Kyra Aesthetic Clinic for PRP to Face?
Kyra Aesthetic Clinic, we do large number of procedures. We are experienced to do multiple cases and we have got the best technology that is from the Arthrex. So we have Arthrex brand, the PRP. There is a huge company whose there is a good centrifuge. US FDA approved kits are there, so we can use the blood sample in the special kits and put it in the centrifuge, and the whole procedure, whole PRP preparation is done in a scientific way. And second thing is experience of the doctors. We are a team of 3 doctors including the plastic surgeon and the dermatologist. So we see the patient as a whole, assess the patient and take the considerations of our client, what are her expectations, and then we plan the treatment. In the PRP treatment, the most important is the microneedling. You should have a good derma pen, and then the numbing area, the patient should not feel any pain. And next is the depth to achieve what are the different problematic areas and how much filler is to be used. There are certain areas which needs the volume, especially under eyes, nasolabial folds or the lips rejuvenation. So we have to use some fillers also.
Now let's understand the steps of PRP to Face.
The steps of PRP to the face, it includes first is the filler injection, hyaluronic filler, Juvederm or Restylane at the certain areas, that is under eyes, nasolabial folds or in the cheeks or jawline, chin, lips, any area which requires the volume.
Injectable cosmetic filler is a soft tissue filled injected into skin at different depths to fill the facial wrinkles and provide facial volume by augmenting facial features and restoring a smoother appearance.
Second step is we prepare the PRP, that is platelet rich plasma, from your own blood. We centrifuge and get the platelets which are rich in the growth factors and which is yellowish in color. Sometimes we include the buffy coat to make it slightly reddish in color. And the next step is very important, is the microneedling. We use derma pen. We use up to 1 mm, 1.5 to 2 mm according to the different areas of the face. We do microneedling to create the micro channels.
The most important step of PRP to Face is microneedling. The microneedling pens needles produce micro punches in the skin that can enhance the absorption of skincare products and cause an increase in collagen, which can minimize fine lines and scarring for causes like acne over time. Let us understand about this.
So purpose of microneedling is to create the micro channels and to stimulate the dermis. So I am going to do on her cheek. So you can see the proper gliding motion. The needles are not sticking because we have already applied the hyaluronic acid. So that helps in the gliding. I am doing in the vertical direction, then in the horizontal direction, in the star shaped oblique direction, then last is the stamping. There will be some pinkish hue due to vasodilatation of the skin that is desirable. So we have to open the channels and introduce the PRP into the skin. And the last step is we put the PRP on the face and let it be absorbed by your skin. And sometimes we inject the PRP in specific areas where it is required, where there is a lot of pigmentation, open pores or certain scars are there. We directly inject the PRP into the skin.
Now it is important to understand the procedure and its aftercare.
The pain is not felt by our clients because we use the numbing cream for initial half an hour, and this procedure is almost painless after the numbing cream. So immediate after the procedure your face will be red or pink. So you should not have any social meeting after the procedure. You can stay at your home, you can do all the normal activities, and we advise you not to wash your face for next 8 to 10 hours. It is better to keep the PRP as a facial pack on the face and avoid the face wash. So there are no certain precautions. We don't advise any topical medications. And the most important is we give you certain doses of hyaluronic acid or good cosmeceuticals because your pores will be open. So you can use very good products for the next 2 to 3 days that will penetrate and will rejuvenate your skin.
What is a downtime and result of PRP to the face?
In this video you have seen the middle-aged woman. She wants to get rid of the fine wrinkles and for the even skin tone, and there are certain open pores. So all these things can be achieved at the time frame of 2 to 3 weeks after the PRP, and the effect lasts long than 3 to 9 months. So we recommend another sitting of PRP after 2 to 3 months. So the 2 sittings are sufficient for 1 year. And the PRP procedure is very simple. The downtime is just 1 to 2 days if we do very aggressive PRP, and the results are very promising.
Khaira Aesthetic Clinic is always at your services. To know more, please log on to www.khairaclinic.com.